Hey kids, how are you all? I think that you are doing good and you are safe at home and enjoying your time. Today, in our English session, we are going to have some interesting theory like the words which is used incorrect in English language. Many times it happens that whether we know speaking English or not, but still we used to mispronounce some of the words, right? काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें भले ही इंग्लिश बोलना आए पर फिर भी हम कुछ वर्ड्स को गलत तरीके से बोलते हैं. So today we are going to have some of the glance of our knowledge, some of the sprinkles on the perfect pronounced words. So here I have mentioned some of these spellings for you so that you can just note it down and you can learn those words, right? So today's our topic is commonly mispronounced silent letter words in English literature. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर जो है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जो है वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है और इंटरनेशनल है. सो very required and very compulsory that whenever we speak English it should be grammatically correct, right? So there are some interesting spelling. इससे भी कई ज़्यादा words हैं जो हम गलत तरीके से pronounce करते हैं. But today in our session we are going to have the explanation and the understanding of these words, right? First we are going to start with knife. You might be knowing the spelling and many of you might be telling this as knife, right? But actually here the letter K is silent and in bracket I have written the perfect pronunciation of that particular word, right? So this word is pronounced as knife, right? N-I-F, knife, but properly it is written like this. So the letter K is actually a silent word. It is not called knife, but it is actually correctly called as knife, right? The second very interesting word is Wednesday. Our teacher or our parents many times used to say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No, it is not called Wednesday. Actually, it is called Wednesday. What it is called? It is called Wednesday. Here, letter D is a silent letter, right? Next is sandwich. I think that you might be loving sandwich to have in your snacks and in your breakfast, right? So many times we used to mispronounce this word as telling is sandwich. हम इसको sandwich बोलते हैं, but actually this is called sandwich. S-A-N-W-I-C-H, sandwich. I think this is interesting to have some of the glancing of the knowledge regarding these words. The next word is handkerchief. What is handkerchief? Handkerchief means it is a piece of the paper which is used to clean our hands or our face, right? The spelling of handkerchief is this, but it is not called handkerchief. See, अगर इसको split करते हैं तो ये होता है handkerchief, but the perfect pronunciation is called handkerchief. Here letter D is actually a silent letter, right? And then next we are going to have comb, जिससे हम अपने hair style बनाते हैं, रोज उसको hair combing करते हैं. So here letter D is actually a silent word, a silent letter, right? It is actually simply called comb, C-O-M, comb. Next we have receipt. Now receipt. जो रिसिप्ट होती है वो एक तरह का बिल होता है, पेमेंट का बिल होता है. So many times we used to tell this word receipt. No, receipt is incorrect. It is called receipt, right? Next is plumber. अब प्लम्बिंग का काम क्या होता है? प्लम्बिंग मीन्स कभी भी कोई भी वाटर सप्लाई में या वाटर प्रॉब्लम आता है, like in connectivity, right, in our home or any other premises. So the person which is dealing that problem is called plumber. अब plumber को भी नहीं पता तो उसे हम plumber बोलते हैं, right? So here the perfect pronunciation of plumber is plumber, right? See here I have written in the bracket. B is actually a silent letter. It is called plumber, right? Next is buffet. In engagement anniversary, other ceremonies, birthday parties or wedding days, we used to have food which is a self-service food, right? We are going to have our food by our own. That service is called buffet service. So here, this is the spelling of buffet, but actually T is a silent letter, right? T is a silent letter and we used to pronounce this as buffet. It is not called buffet. It is not called buffer, right? Our parents or our other relatives used to tell this service as buffer system, buffet system, but actually this is called buffet, right? So today in our session we have gone through some of the very interesting spellings in English language which was mispronounced by people. They were knife, Wednesday, sandwich, handkerchief, comb, receipt, plumber and buffet. So I hope that you have cleared this concept and in future ahead you might be using these words correctly. So in today's session this is what I am going to have and what I am going to give you. In next session we will be trying to have some interesting thing to have the more glancing and the sprinkling and hitting our knowledge. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.